Close your eyes for a second and imagine waking up in the year 2050. The alarm doesn't ring. A calm voice already knows you are awake. Your room adjusts its light to match your mood. Outside, machines glide silently, working, cleaning, building, learning. And somewhere in your mind, a question echoes louder than ever before. Did robots replace us? Or did they change what it means to be human? This is not science fiction anymore. This is the future racing toward us faster than we ever expected. And today we're going to face the biggest question of all. Robots in 2050. Will they replace humans? Stay with me, because the answer is not what most people think. Right now, robots already exist in our lives, but we barely notice them. They recommend what we watch, decide which posts we see, drive cars, trade stocks, diagnose diseases, and even talk to us like friends. And this is only the beginning. By 2050, robots will not just be tools. They will be coworkers, caretakers, teachers, and creative partners. Factories will run almost entirely by machines. Offices will be powered by artificial intelligence that never sleeps. Homes will have robots that cook, clean, and manage daily life. Hospitals will rely on robotic surgeons with precision beyond human hands. Schools will use intelligent tutors that adapt to every child, so it's natural to feel afraid. If robots can do everything, what will humans do? This fear is not new. Every major invention in history caused panic. When machines entered factories, people feared the end of jobs. When computers arrived, people feared the end of thinking. When the internet spread, people feared the end of connection. But something interesting happened every single time. Jobs didn't disappear. They changed. New roles emerged. New skills became valuable. Humanity adapted. The same pattern is unfolding again. But this time, the change feels personal. Because robots are not just replacing muscle. They're touching the mind. By 2050, robots will outperform humans in many tasks. They will be faster, more accurate, and more efficient. They will analyze massive data in seconds. They will work without breaks. They will not get tired, bored, or emotional. In areas like manufacturing, logistics, transportation, and data analysis, human workers will be rare. Self-driving vehicles will replace drivers. Automated warehouses will replace manual labor. AI systems will replace routine office work. Even creative fields will feel the pressure as robots generate music, art, videos, and stories. So, yes, many traditional jobs will vanish. This is the uncomfortable truth we must face. But replacement does not mean extinction. It means transformation. The real question is not whether robots will take jobs. They will. The real question is whether robots can replace humans entirely. And here the answer becomes clear. Robots can copy tasks, but they cannot replace humanity itself. They do not dream the way we do. They do not feel meaning the way we do. They do not suffer, love, hope, or believe. And these qualities will become more valuable than ever. In 2050, the most important human skills will not be speed or memory. Those belong to machines. The most important skills will be creativity, empathy, judgment, leadership, and purpose. Humans will move away from repetitive labor and into roles that require emotional intelligence and deep understanding. We will design systems, guide decisions, and define values. We will become the thinkers, the storytellers, the caretakers, and the visionaries. Robots will handle the how. Humans will decide the why. Consider healthcare. Robots will assist surgeries and diagnostics, but patients will still need human doctors to listen, comfort, and explain. Consider education. AI tutors will personalize learning, but teachers will inspire, motivate, and guide character. Consider business. Algorithms will optimize operations, but leaders will set direction and culture. Consider art. Machines can generate content, but humans will create meaning and emotion that connects stories to life. However, this future is not guaranteed to be kind by default. The transition will be painful. Millions of people may feel lost as old jobs disappear. Inequality could grow if only a few control the machines. Society will face a choice. We can allow technology to replace people, or we can redesign systems. So, technology empowers people. Education will be the battlefield where this future is decided. Schools must stop training students for memorization and start training them for creativity, adaptability, and lifelong learning. Adults must continuously rescue. Governments must rethink income, work, and social safety nets. One powerful idea already gaining attention is universal basic income. In a world where robots produce massive wealth, society could ensure that no one is left behind. People could pursue passions, creativity, caregiving, and entrepreneurship without the fear of survival. Work would no longer be just about earning money. It would be about contribution and meaning. Robots would handle survival. Humans would focus on growth. But there is a darker path too. If power concentrates in the hands of a few, robots could deepen control instead of freedom. Surveillance could become constant. Decisions could be made by algorithms without transparency. Humans could become dependent, passive, and disconnected. This is why ethics matters more than ever. Robots will reflect the values of those who create and control them. The future is not decided by technology alone. It is decided by human choices. By 2050, the line between humans and machines will blur. Brain-computer interfaces may allow us to think with machines. Augmented intelligence will enhance memory and focus. Humans will not compete with robots by rejecting them, but by integrating with them. The question will shift from replacement to evolution. Not humans versus robots, but humans with robots. So, will robots replace humans? In jobs, yes. In purpose, no. In labor, yes. In meaning, never. Robots will change what it means to work, but they will not change what it means to be human unless we allow it. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and lead with values. Fear is understandable, but fear should not control us. Awareness should. Preparation should. Responsibility should dot. As we move toward 2050, remember these. Technology is a mirror. It reflects our intentions. If we build robots to replace humans, we will feel replaced. If we build robots to support humans, we will feel empowered. The choice is still ours, right now, in this moment. The robots are coming, whether we are ready or not. The real question is, are we becoming the kind of humans worth not replacing?